What's up everyone, I'm Anastasia, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a full body stretching routine. This is a follow-along workout for beginners and advanced sportsmen as well. We do not need any equipment, just make sure you're wearing something comfy, something stretchy, and when you are ready, let's begin. We start in a cross-legged position. Open your chest, fully relaxed. Let's do a deep inhale and slowly exhale. One more, inhale and exhale. From here, we open up the chest, continue breathing. Inhale, push your chest forward, chin up, bend your back. And with the exhale, we round the back. Let's go. 1, open up, shoulders back. 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Come back to center. 1, 2. Our head moves forward and back, creating a small gentle wave in our neck. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Right and left. And 1, and 2. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders. 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now our head moving in circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Switch direction. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come back to center. Our chest is moving in circles. So 1, 2, exhale. 3, 4. When we move forward, we push our ribs, our chest down as much as we can. 7, and 8. Press your knees down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Come back to center. Open one arm to the side and do a rotation in your spine. 1, 2. Hand up. And 3. Lean to the side. 4. We stay here. 5, 6. Up. 7, and 8. Switch. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, up, 7, and 8. Few more times. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. From here, we straighten our legs forward. Make sure you have a straight back here, straight knees, our hands going up, and with the exhale, we lean forward. 1. Make sure you keep your back straight. Do not round your back. Chin up, chest forward. And 1, yes, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6 and 7 and 8. 2 more. 9. Last one, we hold. 10. Put your feet up, grab your feet and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put our feet up. 1, relax. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Awesome, good job. Let's move to our knees. 1, 2. From here we are doing a cat-cow, opening up the chest. We do inhale. With the exhale we round the back. And 1, 2 and 3, 4. Don't forget to breathe. 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Awesome. Come back to center. We are going to go up into downward facing dog. First we bend the back. We do inhale here. Tap the toes, hips going up. Straight your knee, put your feet on the floor. We do push with the chest inside. Push. The third one a little bit deeper. Push. And with the wave in our spine, we move back down to the knees. Ready? We do inhale. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and we stay here. 5, 6, we stay here. 7 and 8. We add bicycle. Feet up, bend one knee and we do the push. Up, bend another knee and we do the push. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good job. Our right leg is moving to the center. Left leg is ready to work. Left knee is going towards our forehead. We do inhale. With the exhale, we put our leg up, straight both knees, chest inside. And 1, 2, exhale. 3, 4 and 5, 6, exhale. 7, straight both knees. 8. Few more times. So 1, 2, exhale. 3, 4 and 5, 6. Let's hold our leg up. 7 and 8. We hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Switch to another leg. 1, 2 and 1. Exhale. 2 and 3. Exhale. 4 and 5. Exhale. 6 and 7. Exhale. 8. One more time. 1 and we hold up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. From here, we move our right leg forward into the lunge, and hips are down. We are in the lunge, shoulders back, chest forward. Relax your hips here. Make sure you have a 90 degrees angle in your feet, so your knee is just up on your feet. Relax your hips here. Feel the stretch. From here, let's put our hands down, tuck the back toes, and straight the back knee. And we add pulses with our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Put your knee down, back the knee, grab the feet. And from here, we are going to push our feet towards our hips. 1. Make sure you do not put your hips up. Push your hips down to the floor. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. From here, we are doing a slide back, straight the front knee, and with the exhale, we lean forward as low as we can and hold here for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. From here, we switch the legs. The left leg is going forward and we go in a deep lunge. Straight posture, chest forward, shoulders back. Relax your hips here. From here, we put our hands down, straight the back knee, and we add pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Put your knee down, grab the feet, and your feet is going towards your hips. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good job. From here, we slide back, straight the front knee, and with the exhale, we lean down and hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Come back to knees. From here, we put our hips down and go into cobra position. Opening the chest, breathe deeply. Relax your neck, put your head down. We do inhale here. With the exhale, we bend one knee and bend the back. And relax down. Inhale. With the exhale, we bend another knee and gently relax down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's go down. Bend the knees, grab the feet from here. We are going into bow position. Opening up the chest. And gently let's go down. Let's go. 1, 2, relax. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 1, higher. 2. Good job. Let's go down and rotate to your back. From here, we are doing our last exercise. We are going to try to do the bridge. Your hands is going backwards. Push your hips up. Straight your elbows. Move as close as you can towards your feet. And you can do a gentle slide forward and back, opening up your shoulders, your chest. Good job. And from here, chin to chest. And gently put yourself down. Grab your knees, hug yourself, and relax here. Awesome. When you finish with your bridge, straight your legs, straight your arms, close your eyes. Deep inhale and slowly exhale. We are done for today. You can stay here in Shavasana as long as you need. Thank you for training with me and watching this video. If you enjoyed, please do not forget to put a like and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're not going to miss any new fitness, stretching, Pilates or tutorial videos. And I'm going to see you very soon here on my channel in my next video. Bye!